Hey, Techno Studs. And when I say studs, I mean both students, and you're awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. Once we do subnetting, that is breaking down a network into subnetworks, the next step is to figure out what host ranges are in with each one of those networks. So in this module, we're going to be talking about how to figure out the host ranges within each one of your subnetworks. We're going to start with some subnetting examples. We're going to give a Class C, a Class B, and a Class A example, where we're going to figure out what all the networks are within each one of those networks, with each one of those examples. Then I'm going to talk about some visualization methods, both the table and the box method. It can be a way that you can figure out what the ranges are, but it also can be a quick way to reference and double check your work and make sure that everything is done accurately. Then we're going to get into identifying address types to be able to identify what's a host address, what's a network address. Same thing that we've done in a prior video, but we're going to take it to the next level. Then we'll get into determining a subnet range, because it can get quite lengthy if you're figuring out every single network that there is that you've broken things down into, but maybe you just want to figure out what the 150th network is or the 200th network is. Well, we can determine what that network is and figure out what the range of that is. And you're going to need that for quickly identifying what types of addresses there are. And then finally, we'll talk about just some application, how we can apply these subnetting skills to the real world.